What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube short videos from your PC. So YouTube Shorts is a new feature similar to TikTok that YouTube is now allowing people, in a beta form at least, to make some videos, from their phone and whatnot. So you can actually make them from your PC, so you don't have to be restricted to, let's per se, like just a normal video of your face or something you're showing. So I'm going to kind of show you using Camtasia over here, as you see as an example, on how you can actually create YouTube Shorts from your PC. So I just made like a 5-second video right before this just to give you a perspective. So again, this works with any editing software. All you're going to do is wherever you can for your project settings to like change the dimensions of the canvas itself, you're going to go there. So when you go there, you might, if it's on a Mac, you can actually just take one of the iOS devices. But if you don't have that option available, what you're going to do is you're going to basically do 1080 times 1920. So that is the features you're going to do, and then just press apply. And then you take whatever video, so let's just delete that for example, and let's delete this also. And you're just going to obviously just drag and drop it in here. What you then do is you can either keep it in that format and then put text at the top and bottom. I have seen certain YouTubers do this. Again, this is a very new feature. We don't know if people are going to click off or not, unsure. Or you can kind of take like gaming videos or whatnot, which is what a lot of people are doing. They kind of zoom in on the specific piece where the character is, exactly like the main character is moving and talking or trying to show. And you just kind of moving around and shift it around. And then that specific screen is what's going to show up in Shorts. That's literally all you have to do. The main thing is the canvas settings and making sure that it is within this dimension frame, essentially in the frame of what a mobile phone looks like, and it has to be vertical. It cannot be horizontal. That is the main feature that YouTube looks for and YouTube is kind of pushing for. And that's all. That's literally all you'll have to do, and you can essentially make YouTube Shorts. And that's it. Yeah, that's all you have to do. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. That more tutorials out. Peace.